Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can show the desktop icons on your Windows. So, are your desktop icons hidden like mine? Then you don't know how you can show your desktop icons? Then let's go for these two easy methods on how we can do that. So, first is you need to make a right click on your desktop, select view, and you'll find this option show hidden icons. Now simply check that. And there it is. All your desktop icons will be back on your desktop. Now for the next method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find personalization. And then you have to scroll down and you'll find themes. Scroll down and you'll find under related settings, desktop icon settings. Click on that. And here you just have to simply check the desktop icon all this desktop icons from here, and then you have to click on apply, click on OK, and then go back to the desktop, and then the missing or the hidden desktop icons are back on your desktop window. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.